All right, Wednesday evening. Walking my dog. Trying to get this done quickly. If my dog don't keep walking around stuff, I'll be able to do a video. So anyway, here's the thing. I'm on my way to Kentucky. I got to do 2 stops up there. I got to pick up tomorrow and then start heading back to Arkansas so that I can get back as early as I can on Friday. April, where you going? Come on. She just started like walking out into the parking lot. So anyway, Friday, I got to get back as early as I can. So that's why I'm trying to get this done as fast as I can, because then we go to turkey drag. I'll get to the yard, load up the trailer, or hook up to the trailer, to the car trailer, bring it to the house, load up everything we got to load up. As early as we can Friday. We've already got the Mini packed up with a bunch of stuff that we're going to bring with us. Last night when I was home Tuesday night, we were able to get a few more things picked out and moved around. Got the mini shop kind of cleaned out a little bit, so there's actually a floor that we can walk around and be able to start this next project. Because just as soon as we get done with turkey drag, we want to start trying to work on the new Toyota, which we don't have a name for. We also have our Freakmas. We haven't figured out exactly how we're going to be doing that just yet, but that is in the plans as well to go and do that, I believe, the following weekend. So we'll be pressed a little bit for time on that, but we should be able to start getting stuff done. What do we need to do? We need to start getting everything off of the inner fenders underneath the hood. Start being able to relocate a lot of that stuff that's underneath there, because I either need to cut the inner fenders out, or I'm going to cut them in a way that I'll be able to move them up as high as I can, so I can fender wells in there, so that we don't have a lot of overspray and I don't have to make inner fenders next time. I got a buddy of mine, Randy. You guys probably have seen him on Facebook, if you're on Facebook. I believe he did that on one of his builds where he moved them up, and I was like, man, why haven't I thought of that? Why didn't I do that all this time instead of just cutting them, move them up? So I may get with him to ask him if he's got a few pointers on how to go about doing that. I've got ideas. But that'll be the first order of business. That way we can go ahead and get that front end bagged just as soon as I can. I'm pretty sure I can do one side in a weekend, and then the following weekend do another side and get that done and get bags in there, and hopefully be able to run airlines and get the front end done like I did on the first Toyota. That shouldn't be too hard. And then the rear end, I mean, we all know about that. So that's the game plan for now, is basically get everything on the fenders moved off and possibly start working on getting the inner fenders moved up. April, come on. I'm not walking all over the dang place. She thinks I am. Look at her. She's going all the way down there. Whatever. So, without further ado, is anybody ready to see what the truck looks like with the Ranger wheels on it? Well, I mean, if you clicked on this, then you already saw what it looks like. If you follow me on Facebook, if you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on Snapchat, all Earthscraper69, I already posted up the pictures on there. In fact, the earlier post I made here on YouTube gave you those leads as well. But if you didn't see that post, then you're hearing about it now. But yeah, we'll take a look at that. That'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thumbs up. I think it looks great. Me personally, I absolutely love it. I'm not a big fan of chrome. I am a fan of chrome to a certain point, but when it starts to become chrome everywhere, I think it takes away from the natural feel of the truck. I am thinking chrome, all chrome door handles, chrome mirrors, and that's pretty much all that I'm thinking of. Chrome on the outside. Maybe try to find some chrome or billet interior parts to freshen it up a little bit. Maybe a different steering wheel, or the stock steering wheel. I'm not sure. I know stock steering wheel would give us a horn back. A proper steering wheel aftermarket would give us a horn back. So there's a few things there going on. We will be trailering it, like I said, to Turkey Drag, because we can. That's, I mean, really, we're going to be comfortable. We may end up having a third guest with us on the way. I will be doing a video at Turkey Drag, so that way everybody can see what Turkey Drag is all about, and maybe you guys can go as well. So, are you guys ready to see the truck? I mean, I actually walked around it and everything. So, maybe we'll let you guys watch it. See you guys on the next video. Well, actually, see you guys at Turkey Drag, whoever's going. And I'll see you guys at Turkey Drag if you're watching the video at the end of this next weekend. Later, guys. Thank you for being here. So it's Wednesday, right? There you guys go. What do you think? What do you think of them rims? This is the first time I've been able to see it during the day. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I gotta go to Kentucky. We got Turkey Drag this weekend. That's where we're gonna be going. We've already got all of our camping gear loaded up inside. Looking pretty. Yes, it's gonna be a trailer queen. No, we don't have a name for this one yet, but we'll figure it out. Talk to you guys in a little bit.